HIDROS Group is dedicated to engineering, manufacturing, warehousing, and distributing fluid power products. We have been centralized in Turkey, Bulgaria, Germany, and South Africa for the past 25 years. HIDROS Group has the ability of sales and service, complete with the talent and facility to engineer, manufacture, stock, and distribute fluid power products. HydroPac, our production company, is part of HIDROS Group. We have business connections worldwide. At HydroPac, we manufacture hydraulic mini power packs and hydraulic components. We also offer a wide range of solutions suitable for different fluid power applications. Our commitment to our customers drives us to outperform the competition in offering custom-engineered and value-added fluid power solutions with consistent high-quality, competitive cost, and timely delivery with excellent service. More than 3,000 pieces power units per month. We value customer satisfaction and consistently strive to provide the best service to our valued customers around the world in mobile hydraulics. Our mission is to provide compact power packs with high-quality components and optimum circuit design in order to satisfy the needs and exceed the expectations of our customers and business partners. HIDROS Group have more than 25 years of experience in sales engineering of hydraulic products. We mainly supply hydraulic parts for agriculture sector, industrial, and mobile applications. We have advantage to provide different hydraulic products in a set for many fluid power systems. We've been providing the mobile and industrial markets with precision engineered products, wide range of hydraulic pumps for various applications. We provide different control valve options for agricultural, mobile, and industrial applications, offering a complete line of low-speed, high-torque hydraulic motors. We design customized power packs according to our client's need. INLINE valves helps to secure your safety and hydraulic systems. Our steering units can get you back in track. SOLENOID operated control valves for various applications. Your power for tractor implements. Coolers reduce deterioration of hydraulic oil and enable performance improvement. Best solution for tractors. And forklifts. Robust, enclosed gearing slewing drive solutions. Solutions for mobile and heavy-duty applications. We have branch companies worldwide to establish a good sales network and provide fast solutions for our partners, and in total, we have 10,000 square meters of indoor space. We treasure our customers and focus on developing and maintaining a long-term business relationship with our dynamic sales team members. maintenance and service of supplied hydraulic products with experienced hydraulic technicians and provide our best quality service. We take our place in well-known exhibitions all around the world to be closer to our partners and introduce new industry-specific products. Thank you for being a valued customer and giving us the opportunity to take care of your requirements. HIDROS Group, your solution partner in hydraulics.